how Illiputer laptop ownership model works from customer to owner. I'm Elliot Trudeau, I'm founder of Illiputer Tech Company. And now I'm going to dive deeper how our business model works for laptops that you, as a customer, you're going to become the shareholder or owner or co-owner of the company. Here, as you see, I have laptops. I'm going to dive deeper. You know, we have traditional business model, okay? This is traditional. And we have also Illiputer here, Illiputer. And now, let's say you want to buy a laptop from Illiputer. Either you are going to choose Illiputer made laptops that we have here that I'm using for my own needs every day. I use this laptop. Or you may prefer other brands. Let's say you want from Apple, or maybe you want a laptop, from Lenovo, from all other brands, okay? But if you want to go buy yourself now, this is the normal way. We go pay money, maybe we don't have, we have to pay interest also, maybe we pay monthly, and we are going to receive a laptop, that's all, that's all. You have the laptop and you're going to pay. Maybe with interest also. In fact, this is wrong. This is wrong and against your own personal finance or financial situations, because you go work with hard, you work with hard, you have to earn money, and you lose money by this business model, with the traditional business model. Why you lose money? Because you give away money, that's all. And you receive one product, and the product also is a depreciated product. It's depreciating every day, its value is going down. This is the pain point. For solving this pain point, we have a new business model. We have developed this, and in fact, we are pioneering in the world for the first time our customer ownership business model. I'm going to now here dive deeper, but at Illiputer, what's happening? Let's say now you want to buy a laptop from Illiputer, no matter which brand, with which logo or from which company. We work with all brands. And now, when you pay your money, okay, it is completely an investment. What does it mean? It means that you, as a customer, you're going to become the shareholder of Illiputer automatically. Out of what? Out of your own purchase, that you want to make a purchase at Illiputer. Okay? Look, the difference here is that instead of losing money, you are going to build wealth, accumulate wealth out of what? Out of simply your own money that you want to spend for purchasing, let's say, the laptop. Okay? At Illiputer, your money is investing. Okay? It's investing. And you're going to receive shares. Shares of what? Shares of Illiputer. And beside that, you are going to receive the computers for free. Look, why free? Because the money that you want to spend for purchasing the laptop is investing. Where? At Illiputer. Okay? You invested, and now you're going to receive the stocks of the company based on your total amount of money. But you may say, I want to buy a laptop, I don't want to invest. Here, intelligently, we have designed this business model not only to make you an investor and help you to build wealth, but also to help you to get your products for free also. I know it sounds too good, but maybe you're skeptical. You have some doubts, but if it's the case, be here, check other videos, let me know your concerns, questions. But in fact, we are doing this officially, and I'm the entrepreneur, I'm founder of this company, also I'm the I'm the inventor of this business model. I studied this and I want to do this, and I'm doing this in fact. Look here at Illiputor, you have your money as an investment, you have the shares of the company, okay? And you have the product for free. Look, plus free laptop. And now, maybe you say, how many shares do we receive? Let's say each share is $1. You pay $1,000, and now you have 1,000 shares. Okay? What is the benefit of this? Let's say you did this in the past. Now you have your own laptop and you have 1,000 shares at Illiputor. Look, this is the case. What's going to happen? What is the benefit? The benefit is that after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you see, within these 3 years, Illiputor sent me every month or every 3 months, let's say 50 euro, 100 euro, maybe 20 euro. It can be any amount. From what? It's your dividends. It's from the all profits that company has, and it's going to send or divide between the shareholders of the company. You're going to receive money, no matter small or big amount, okay? This is the first benefit. Second benefit, you see one day the shares of the company is 10 euro. How many shares you have? You have 1,000 shares. 1,000. And each issued for you for $1. And now the value of the shares of Illiputor is $10. How much money you have? You have $10,000. The value of shares for you is $10,000 for you. You're going to receive more dividends. You can resell them to Illiputor all the time. You can sell them to other people. You can trade these shares also. But in fact, you're going to have a free laptop to use from any brand, and beside that, your money is increasing. It may not increase too much that you become multimillionaire, but it can generate a little bit more money for you. And next time, if you want to buy a laptop for yourself, for your partner, for your children, you have this privilege. You can build the wealth as time goes on. I know you don't buy everyday laptop, but maybe every 3 years, maybe you buy a new laptop or computer gadgets. You can order all of them via Illiputor. If you do so, you're building wealth more. This is what we are doing. This is Illiputor business model that we turn customers into shareholders. We take their money as an investment, we issue shares, and we give the products for free. And then the company grows. The more company grows, the more dividends, the more profits will be distributed between you. And you lose nothing if the company fails, because you have your own laptops. The money is only for purchasing laptop, right? But in general, this is our business model. And I'm too grateful and happy and blessed that we have this business model. We are pioneers in the world. Customer ownership business model. Now here, by doing so, we turn your purchases into an investment, building wealth for you and deliver the products for free for you. It's completely official, and I'm announcing this, and I'm doing this. Love you all. Really, love you all. And I do this out of love. Love you all. Let me know your thoughts, questions. For more information, you can contact Illiputor. You can check our website. You can write us emails. And you can contact us. Besides that, also, check other videos that we have for getting more information. Share this video with your friends, family members that are going to buy laptops soon. They can get free laptops, investment also. Watch the videos that will pop up here, and love you.